Hello everyone, this is a new tutorial about news in IT. There are a collection of links from articles, YouTube channels, or JavaScript libraries or coding. So let's get started. The first one is a Notion page for product designers who want to get better at product design. There are here a lot of exercises to take and go through to skill up their level. So product designers, check out this link. Next one, it's a website example. I found it really nice, not the effects, because I've seen websites like that, but it seems that it's really well developed since it's not stressing my CPU, and the movement of the screens and panels is like flawless. So that's why I found it really pleasant for the eye. The third link is the magic of Clippad. The Clippad is the CSS rule, and it has a lot of places where you can use it. And as you can see here, we can clip or mask any parts of the website, including a scroll on the images. Like in here, we have this nice effect. So for the Clippad, check this out. Check out this article. The next one is a library, Theater.js, an animation professional motion design toolset, an animation library, and it helps you create animation from cinematic scenes in 3GS. I've checked the intro video, and indeed looks very appealing and very promising, so you can have a go with it. Here we have some screens also on what's inside. Then we have a nice little effect on a counter, but nowadays I think more websites would appreciate some animation, some love, as I like to say, in the front end side. So this can make your website a little more appealing if you have something like that on a counter for some products that you sell maybe, or some quantity of also some products. Okay, this one is the AI code reviewer platform. They have a free trial. I haven't tested yet, but I'm intending to next week. So if you are interested to switch from human review, code review, to AI code review, this platform can help you get started. Then we have a simple example with CSS variables and border radius to create frames like that, probably suitable for tourist websites or maybe cultural elements. Then we have a very interesting JavaScript library, Vfix, which can add effects, glitch, and all kind of effects, similar effects to any HTML tag, including to a contact form. Although I wouldn't recommend that, but why not? Then in the end, we have 3 YouTube tutorials. The first one is a very nice descriptive video regarding the Flexbox versus Grid, how to use them, what are the differences. I've checked it out, and it really explains the differences. The second one is Wigglebones 3GS library with a React Free Fiber, how to create bouncing bones effect. It's a tutorial from scratch, so you can code along. And finally, the GreenSock animation plugin versus Framer Motion for React, also a nice tutorial on how to what are the differences between nowadays, considering that a lot of websites requires some dynamic, some organic movement, some animation, something to feel more alive. Well, with all that being said, I wish you have a pleasant experience going through all the links, and see you next time. Bye bye.